This is Siba Behera, Principal in Charge, Ekalabya Model Residential School, Liang, Sundargarh. On behalf of the teachers and the students of our school, I would like to share my feedback on STEPapp mobile learning platform. The application was introduced during COVID-19, which was the right time when the students need guidance from the teachers and the teachers feel continuity of their teaching. The app platform is well designed and customized the subjects like physics, chemistry, mathematics, and biology. The pictorial and graphical representation of the subjects makes them very easy to learn and remember. The user interface of this app is easy to navigate and learn attentively. Playing quiz, short assignments, and completion of each chapter, the students are getting certificates which keeps them motivated. Overall, I find this is a very effective and innovative tool to teach the primitive tribal students and make them to learn online. The students are enjoying learning by doing and applying their concept simultaneously. Thank you.